in a sense, the Abhay Mudra is a projection from Shivji to the rest of the world about these two ideas. Of course, these two ideas were used by us, all of us, when we fought the British. And they were put forth by Mahatma Gandhi. The Prime Minister, of course, who has a direct connection with God, speaks directly to God. Yes, the Paramatma speaks to Modi ji's Atma directly. Unlike with all humans, we are all biological. We are born, we die, but the Prime Minister is a non-biological being. And the Prime Minister says Gandhi is dead. And Gandhi was revived by a movie. I mean, can you understand the ignorance? That Gandhi is dead and a movie revived the father of the nation. No, Gandhi is not dead. Gandhi is alive. Now, another very interesting thing I noticed. Hanji.
That is not your problem. That is not your problem. It is not none of your business. It is not none of your business.
And there's another thing I noticed. That it is not just one religion that talks about courage. In fact, all our religions talk about courage. So, here is the religion of Islam. स्पीकर सर, ये चित्र पूरे हिंदुस्तान के दिल में है. पूरा हिंदुस्तान इस चित्र को जानता है, समझता है. Everybody knows this image. Speaker sir, why I got this image is because there are certain ideas in this image that we defend, that the opposition defends. The first idea in the image that we defend is the idea of confronting our fear, of never being scared. That idea is represented in this image, which you are not allowing me to show, by a snake that is placed right near the neck of Shivji. The idea behind that is never be scared of anything that you face. In fact, Shivji places death 1 inch from his neck. And that is the spirit with which we fought when we were in the opposition. From this idea of resisting, we are still in the opposition, I know. I know that. And I'm happy and proud to be in the opposition. Because for us, there is more than power. There is truth. For you, there is only power. That is the only place you want to be. For us, there is truth. And this is a symbol of truth. So when Shivji places the snake near his neck, what he is saying is, I will accept the truth and I will not back down from the truth, and that is what we've said. After that, a new idea emerges. And of course, I cannot show Shivji's picture, but all of you know it. Behind the left shoulder of Shivji is the Trishul. Now, I would like you to understand that there is a reason that the Trishul, a weapon, has been placed behind the left shoulder. The Trishul is not a symbol of violence. It is a symbol of non-violence, and that is why it is placed in a place where Shiva cannot reach it with his right hand. If it was a symbol of violence, it would have been held in his right hand like this. It is a symbol of non-violence. That is why it is placed behind his left shoulder. When we fought the BJP, we were not violent. When we defended the truth, there was not an ounce of violence in us. Now, there is a third idea and a very powerful idea that emerges from the idea of truth, courage, and non-violence. And that idea, of course, it is a symbol that many of you hate, but that idea is the Abhay Mudra, the symbol of the Congress Party, which, as you can see, is also in this image. And Jai Mahadev. And what that Rajnath Singh ji is looking very surprised. And what that Abhay Mudra shows, it is the next step of the evolution of the idea of facing the truth, fearlessness, and ahimsa. Satya and ahimsa, as Mahatma Gandhi ji used to say. And the Abhay Mudra is the idea that it is not good enough to just keep this internal. It is not good enough to not be scared. It is not good enough to use non-violence. It is also important that you make others not scared, that you help others become fearless, that you help others become not. Have no fear. I am with you, hearing and seeing. मतलब इस्लाम में भी कहा गया है कि डरना नहीं है. और जब इस्लाम में दुआ मांगी जाती है तो दोनों हाथ से, दाएं हाथ से अभय मुद्रा दिखाई देता है. उसके बाद गुरु नानक जी की ओर चलते हैं. वाहेगुरु जी की फतेह, वाहेगुरु जी का खालसा. जिस धर्म पर आप हर रोज आक्रमण करते हो, गुरु नानक जी जो
प्लीज नो प्लीज 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 माननीय सदस्य, प्लीज
गुरु नानक जी
प्लीज
के
माननीय
चित्र में भी
सदस्य, हम इनको इस तरीके से पूछते हैं, आप इस तरीके से टेबल पे मत रखो.
सर कहाँ रखूं सर?
तरीका ठीक
सर कहाँ रखूं? यहाँ रख दूं सर?
आप यहाँ मत
यहाँ रख
रखो.
देता हूं सर. सर गुरु नानक जी के चित्र में भी आपको अभय मुद्रा दिखाई देगा. गुरु नानक जी भी कहते हैं कि डरो मत, डराओ मत. और पंजाब से गुरु नानक जी मेक्का तक गए, थाईलैंड तक गए, अफगानिस्तान गए, श्रीलंका गए. किसी से हिंसा नहीं की, अहिंसा की बात की, सत्य की बात की, और किसी को उन्होंने अपनी जिंदगी में नहीं डराया. उसके बाद जीसस क्राइस्ट की इमेज देखिए, उसमें भी आपको अभय मुद्रा दिखाई देगा. जीसस क्राइस्ट की इमेज में भी अभय मुद्रा. डरो मत, डराओ मत. और जीसस क्राइस्ट ने कहा कि अगर आपको कोई थप्पड़ मारता है तो दूसरा गाल दिखा दो. उसके बाद बुद्ध भगवान, अभय मुद्रा. डरो मत, डराओ मत, अहिंसा. मतलब, और अंत में महावीर, डरो मत, डराओ मत, अभय मुद्रा. मतलब हिंदुस्तान के इतिहास में 3 फाउंडेशनल आइडियाज हैं. मोदी जी ने अपने भाषण में एक दिन कहा कि हिंदुस्तान ने किसी पर आक्रमण नहीं किया. उसका कारण है क्योंकि यह देश अहिंसा का देश है. यह देश डर का देश नहीं है. तो हमारे सारे के सारे महापुरुषों ने अहिंसा की बात की, डर मिटाने की बात की. डरो मत, डराओ मत, डरो मत, डराओ मत। और दूसरी तरफ शिव जी कहते हैं डरो मत, डराओ मत, अभय मुद्रा दिखाते हैं, अहिंसा की बात करते हैं, त्रिशूल को जमीन में गाड़ देते हैं। और जो लोग अपने आप को हिंदू कहते हैं वो 24 घंटा हिंसा हिंसा हिंसा, नफरत नफरत नफरत, असत्य सत्य असत्य। आप हिंदू हो ही नहीं,